Hello friends, today in this video I am going to share with you 4 biggest lies around anger. The first lie, I should vent out everything when I get angry. It is the biggest myth friends. Please do not do that, because if you do it, you are going to hurt your close ones more than anything else in the world. The second lie is other people and situations make me angry, which is not true again. Because in every situation, friends, you have a choice on how to respond. The third lie is anger motivates me. No friends, anger never motivates. It's only a other form of self-righteousness, or I am only right. And the fourth lie is, the biggest lie is that I can't change. I am like this only. I am angry since my childhood. I can't get over it. It is the biggest myth, friends, because change is the only constant. You can change. You can learn to listen fast. You can learn to speak slowly. You can learn to get angry slowly. Hello friends, my name is Sheetal Vijay, and since past 9 years I have been helping people to eliminate anger and lead a happy, healthy and wealthy life of their choice on their terms powerfully. If you think this video can help create awareness among people you love, then please do subscribe, like and share with your loved ones. Please do visit website www.charismamind.com. Thank you.